Now, if you own a C4 Corvette and you've had to replace your clutch, or you're going to have to replace your clutch, Ram has come up with a system to replace the factory clutch in those cars. Now, they're going to use from the factory a pull-style diaphragm clutch, and it's on a dual-mass flywheel. Very difficult to find, and it's not the best operating clutch. So what we did was put together a system that'll replace that complete and allow you to get upgraded into something a little bit better. So the heart of this system is a conversion to a 10.5-inch diaphragm pressure plate with a push style, and it's also going to include the hydraulic release bearing. Now, this package is going to include all the pieces you need: flywheel, pressure plate, disc, the bolts to bolt the pressure plate down, and that hydraulic system. And it's available on a steel or aluminum flywheel. The steel flywheel is going to be a little more conducive for street driving, whereas if you're using your car for more autocross or track type events, you can opt for an aluminum flywheel and get a little bit of the rotating weight out of there. Clutch disc wise, you can use the 300 series organic or the 900 series metallic and have a real good effective hold depending on what you're going to use. And we also offer a system that's a dual disc, and that's based on the Force 9.5 dual disc. And there you're going to get the same options: steel or aluminum flywheel, the 300 or the 900 series friction material, and have something that's going to hold some higher horsepower levels up in the 700 plus range. Now, the hydraulic bearing that comes with this kit is going to include all the fittings, lines, and adapters you need to adapt right up to the factory master cylinder, so you're not going to have to buy any extra parts to make that transition. Now, keep in mind when you replace that dual mass flywheel, you do run the chance you're going to get a little bit of gear rattle in the transmission. That would occur at low RPM and low speeds with just a light load on the drive line. And you can check out the full applications available for the C4 conversion on our website at ramclutches.com.